Aquaflow has designed and built a state-of-the-art auto cleaning system for weightometers, sensors, crushers, and various other site equipment. The WayClean system consists of a PLC and water control panel that operate a set of high-flow valves to perform washing operations. The valves and other components have an extensive history in mining and heavy industry. They are both adjustable and customizable to suit specific site requirements. The system can interface with sensing instruments such as weightometers to ensure that operations, like automatic zero tracking, occur after washdown has completed and only when the belt is empty or in a safe state for washing operations. WayClean by Aquaflow improves personnel utilization and safety by automating a critical, yet potentially hazardous task. In addition to supplying a world-class product, Aquaflow offer training and technical support to existing mine site vendors for both installation and operation of the WayClean system. For more information, visit our website www.wayclean.com.au or give us a call on 0404 624 956. Thank you for watching. We hope to hear from you soon.